His hatred and Obama's terrorism is trying to keep me up. That's the Weingart here making noise, yelling and screaming in the hallway. So be sure to check and post in front of Laurie Ann Brady Bond and Samuel Lynn Bond of Louisiana. In front of all folks with the California Assisted Living Waiver folks. The corrupt ones with Obama. And yeah, all City of Santa Monica officials, call in front of them. They can reach me by phone. Check and post in 424-229-4140. And yes, certify your mail here to 387 566 South San Pedro Street, Los Angeles, California, 90013. You can't reach me by my phone. Call me up at call the Weingart and leave your number. They got a little cubicle for 387. I can go get my keys time I come back in. They give me the mail. The mail doesn't get hijacked, gets stolen. So call up. You got a place for me to live? You want to hire me as a graphic artist? Call up and leave a message. And be sure to check and post in front of those folks and say, why is it you can reach John Melton Brady by phone when my child's lifeline to the firemen, police, and paramedic is hijacked by Obama, that first terrorist? When I try to call John Melton Brady, check and post in 5 and be the reporter for your family. Make sure when those Mormon missionaries knock on the door, you check and post in front of them, because it's childlike, the ones making noise. And you know what that is. It's Mormon-like. Check and post in front of them. Say, why are you taking part in religious censorship in America? And get their reactions for your 93 check. And post reports. You gotta be the reporter. They're not doing their jobs. Check and post right now from all military bases. And here at home from the mayor, governor, reporters, network news anchors. Say, why aren't you doing your job, guys? Get them on record. How did you weigh in with Obama's terrorism?